Changing the email link to your Steam account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your email address quickly. Step 1. Log into your Steam account. Open the Steam application or website and enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Access account details. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings by clicking on your username in the top right corner and selecting account details from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Change email address. In the account details section, look for the contact info area. Click on Change email address to initiate the email update process. Step 4. Verify your identity. Steam will prompt you to verify your identity. This may involve entering a verification code sent to your current email address or using Steam Guard if enabled. Step 5. Enter new email address. After verification, enter your new email address and confirm it. Follow any additional prompts to finalize the change and check your new email for a confirmation message from Steam. Once you have completed these steps, your Steam account will be linked to your new email address. Make sure to check your inbox for any confirmation emails to ensure the change was successful.